possibly the best taco I've had in my life. I don't know.
That's
But
huge.
it was fantastic.
We just got to our hotel in Oaxaca City. It looks really nice here.
Yeah, it's a cute place.
Yeah, lots of bright, colorful buildings so far.
Yeah, much different from Mexico City.
Yes, very different vibe, that is for sure.
Don't stand a chance. We never stand a chance. Don't stand a chance.
So we just arrived in Oaxaca and grabbed some coffee. Now first food stop is Tacos del Carmen. Read online that this was the place to be. One is chorizo, and the other one is mushrooms with cheese. That chorizo is really good, and the cheese is nice and melty, and the tortilla is nice and crispy. And these are made with quesillo, which is the traditional Oaxacan cheese. It's kind of like a really stringy white cheese, but it's delicious.
So we spent most of today wandering around Oaxaca City, exploring, checking out some of the sites, seeing what it was like, and it's been a good day so far.
Yep.
But right now we're getting ready to go for dinner because we're getting kind of hungry.
Yep. Yeah, we're going to Casa Oaxaca, which is a more upscale restaurant, but they serve traditional Oaxacan food.
Our reservation is until a fair bit later, so in the meantime we're gonna go grab some drinks. There's this place that we heard about, right?
Yep. They're supposed to be serving some good mezcal margaritas and maybe some other cocktails.
Too many times stop. I'm again love forever stuck. Ooh, there is someone calling me for a race in the ring. I'm breaking it up. They're never coming up. I told you where I come from. Never gonna stop.
So last night we went out for our dinner reservation at Casa Oaxaca, and before that we went to...
Los Danzantes. We didn't end up getting our mezcal margarita,
No.
but they had a lot of other drinks,
And then we went for dinner at Casa Oaxaca.
which was overall pretty good. We got a couple dishes. One was, I would say, a little more bland, duck tacos.
Duck tacos.
And then we also got, I think it was called aguachile, but it was like a ceviche.
The scallops in that were really good.
Yep.
It had some apple in it and it was on the sweeter side.
And then we got a suckling pig mole, which was really good. The mole was very flavorful.
Yeah, very rich, chocolatey with like a little bit of spice to it.
The service wasn't the best, I
Yeah,
would say.
they were kind of a little all over the place. You had to ask multiple people multiple times for things. So we're gonna drink our coffee now and then go check out more of the city.
Yeah.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together, story that we never told.
We just got to Lechoncito de Oro. This place is known for serving really good suckling pig tacos, but they only serve past 8, so I've been waiting patiently all day for this.
I always be your captain. From our failures we have grown.
That's delicious. It's like pork with crunchy chicharron. Super fatty, but it's delicious. So we just had some suckling pig tacos right there, and now I'm gonna go over here and we're gonna have a couple of tlayudas. Beans, what I think is like a lettuce or cabbage, and quesillo cheese.
and tlayudas within half a block of each other.
Yes.
Which one was better?
That's a tough decision, but I'm gonna have to go with the suckling pig taco because I'm a sucker for suckling pig.
We just finished our WOD at BlackWOD here
BlackWOD CrossFit, yeah.
in Oaxaca. Oh my god. If you can't tell, like, we're still dying.
That's a tough one.
It was really hard.
Right now we're going to Criollo, which is one of Enrique Olvera's restaurants here in Oaxaca. He's one of the most famous chefs in Mexico right now.
We're hungry. It's a tasting menu of all Oaxacan-inspired dishes, and we're hungry. Even I'm hungry.
Too many times stop. I'm again love forever stuck. Ooh, there is someone calling me, call a race in the ring. I'm breaking up, they're never coming up. I told you where I come from, never gonna stop.
So last night we had our dinner at Criollo, and it was fantastic.
Yeah, it was excellent. Well, my favorite dish was the tuna tostada. It was just super fresh, and the flavor was really interesting. It was like nothing I've had before.
We had no clue what we were getting because it's a tasting menu,
Yeah.
and it changes every day.
So we can't guarantee that you're gonna get the same experience that we had.
No, but we're pretty confident that you'll have a good one. So it's something we would recommend.
yeah, if you wanna, I think, splurge on one meal in Oaxaca, this is definitely the one to do.
So this morning, this is our last morning here in Oaxaca, and we're starting it out with some pastries from Boulanc and coffee at what has clearly become our favorite coffee shop here, which is Cafe Bray. We've been here once, if not twice, every single day.
You told me I'm your anchor. I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire, we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together, story down.
So this is our last meal here in Oaxaca City. We came to, I think it's pronounced Pitiona. It's a beautiful view here. This restaurant looks really cool. We went through like a maze to get up to the rooftop. We got some guacamole, which has some grasshopper and some Oaxacan cheese. We also got suckling pig tacos, beef tongue mamelas. So yeah, I'm excited for our last meal. We just got the suckling pig tacos. They look a lot different than the street ones we had the other night. Definitely a much more elevated taco. That's insanely good. I don't know, the street ones were really good, but I'm gonna have to give it to these. These are crazy good. The skin is super crispy, and there's like, they sprinkled like chicharron dust on the top. Yeah, the flavor is like crazy.
We had a really good time here. And some amazing food. for
Yeah,
sure.
the food was excellent. We just had lunch at Pitiona, and it was excellent, actually. That suckling pig taco was probably the best taco I've had in Mexico. Possibly the best taco I've had in my life. I don't know.
That's
But
huge.
it was fantastic.
So everywhere that we visited in Oaxaca will be on our website. That'll be in the link below, but it is traveleatwad.com. And that's it. On to the next.
We had fun.
Yeah.
Let's see where we go next. I don't know yet.
I